In this video, we're going to work on numbers in Spanish to the thousands, how to pronounce them and to write them. One thing I particularly want you to pay attention to are the patterns in Spanish numbers, because if you master these patterns, you'll be able to master Spanish numbers relatively quickly. So the first 10, everybody learned in kindergarten, right? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Very simple. The next 5 are once, doce, trece, catorce, and quince. The next 4 are spelled phonetically in Spanish. Okay? What I mean by that is that dieciséis is really saying diez y seis. 10 and 6. But it's written dieciséis. So 16 through 19 are dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, y diecinueve. 20 is veinte. And then 21 through 29 are spelled phonetically the same way as 16 through 19. In other words, it's 3 words spelled as one word. So what it's really saying for 21 is veinte y uno. Veinte y uno. But it's pronounced and spelled veintiuno. So 21 through 29 are veintiuno, veintidós, veintitrés, veinticuatro, veinticinco, veintiséis, veintisiete, veintiocho, y veintinueve. So 30 through 90 is treinta, cuarenta, cincuenta, sesenta, setenta, ochenta, y noventa. Now, for all of these, they follow the same pattern for 1 through 9. In other words, 31 through 39 follows the same pattern as 91 through 99. Unlike the 20s, all of these numbers are actually written out as 3 separate words. So what do I mean by that? That means that 31 is written out as treinta y uno, right? Not like 21, which was veintiuno, spelled as one word. 31 is treinta y uno, right? Now you're going to pronounce it probably as one word, treinta y uno, treinta y dos. But 31 through 39 are treinta y uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Same with 40. 47 would be spelled out cuarenta y siete. Now, it's probably going to be pronounced cuarenta y siete, but spelled out, it's cuarenta y siete. All right? One last example, 96 would be spelled out noventa y seis. So apply that same pattern to all numbers 30 through 99, and that's how you write them out. All right, so 100 equals 100. 100. But it's 100 even. Ciento is for the 100 plus. So ciento is 100 plus. What that means is 101 in Spanish would be written ciento uno. Ciento uno. There's no E like 30 through 99. It's ciento uno. 155 would be ciento cincuenta y cinco. it would be pronounced 155, but spelling it out is a little longer. Right? So that's how it works with 100. 200 through 900 are pretty easy. They are 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500 is 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, and 900 is 900. So they follow the same pattern as ciento. 267 would be 267. 267. 550 would be 550. All right. 999, 999. Finally, 1,000 is 1000. Think of it the same way as like a millennium, 1,000 years. 1000 equals 1,000. 1000 works very simply. 2,000, something simple like that, is simply 2,000. 10,000 is 10,000, right? 100,000 is 100,000. If you were born in 1985 and you wanted to give your birth date, you would say 1985. Sounds like a mouthful, but 1985 is just as quickly as 1985. But again, if it was 20,467, it would be pronounced and spelled out 20,000. 467. Something very important to remember is that numbers are universal. In other words, numbers are the same in every language. What's different is how we pronounce them. Okay? So if we see this number, right? This number, an English speaker is going to say 2015. A Spanish speaker is going to say 2015. If you see this number, maybe for a Happy Meal or something, in English you're going to say $3.99. The Spanish speaker is going to look at that same number and say $3.99. Right? It doesn't matter what the number is. It's only the pronunciation, and that's all we're talking about in this video, is how to speak the numbers through thousands in Spanish. If you'd like to see more Spanish instructional videos like this one, you can do so at profedenim.com, or you can message me and follow me on Twitter at srdenim, or if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can simply comment below.